Chapter 4. Cooking Food. We eat different types of food. Some food items are eaten raw, while some are cooked before eating. Some food items like cucumber, tomato, radish, and carrot can be eaten raw, while some like ladyfinger, potato, and meat need to be cooked. Cooking makes the food soft, tasty, and easy to chew and digest. Methods of cooking. Food can be cooked by boiling, frying, baking, roasting, grilling, and steaming. Boiling. This method involves cooking the food item in boiling water. It can be done in a deep pan. Rice, eggs, pulses, and some vegetables are cooked by boiling at 100 degrees Celsius. Boiling eggs. Baking. Baking means to cook food in an oven without or very little oil or any liquid. Biscuits and cakes are made by baking. An oven is used to bake things. Baked cakes. Frying. In frying, food is cooked in hot oil or ghee. We make puris, samosas, pakoras, and finger chips by frying in a wok or kadahi. When only a small amount of oil is used, it is called shallow frying. Parathas are fried on a griddle with less oil. When a lot of oil is used, it is called deep frying. Making puris. Roasting. In roasting, food is cooked in an oven or over a fire. Paneer, chicken, and vegetables are often roasted on a skewer. Chapatis, corn, and some dry fruits are also eaten roasted. Vegetable roasting. Steaming. Steaming means to cook with the help of steam. Idlis, dhokla, and momos are often steamed before eating. Generally, steaming is done in a steamer or a pressure cooker. In this, we cook food at a high temperature with the help of steam. Steaming momos. Grilling. Some vegetables and meat are grilled before being eaten. In this method, food is cooked directly on a continuous source of heat. Pots and pans. We use different utensils for cooking. These utensils are of different shapes and sizes. They are made of different metals like aluminium, steel, copper, and brass. Some of the utensils are shown below. Pressure cooker, wok or kadahi, saucepan, pot, tawa, frying pan, ladle, rolling pin. Types of stoves and fuels. In ancient times, utensils were made of clay, bronze, or brass. As families were large utensils were used. Chulha was used to cook food. Fuels used were coal, wood, or cow dung cakes. Chulha, kerosene stove, electric hot plate, LPG gas stove, solar cooker, electric oven, microwave oven. Nowadays, most of the cooking is done with the help of liquefied petroleum gas or LPG as fuel. People also use hot plates and ovens. Solar cookers have become popular in small towns and villages. They are eco-friendly and do not pollute the environment. Key words: microwave Oven, used to bake food items like cake and bread. Solar cooker, a cooker in which solar energy is used as fuel. Eco-friendly, not harmful to the environment. Pan, a utensil used for deep frying. Let's remember, we eat different types of food in which some are eaten raw while some are cooked before eating. Food becomes soft, tasty and easy to digest when cooked. We use different methods like boiling, steaming, frying, roasting and baking in cooking food. Different types of utensils are used for cooking food.